Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sinead, and today we're going to be making buttermilk chocolate chip pancakes. If you haven't already watched my previous cooking video where we made fried rice, be sure to go check that out because things didn't exactly go as planned in that video. So we're hoping that this time it'll be better. Thank you so much to Campus Clipper for partnering with me to create this New York City student series, and a huge shout out to Lifetime Natural Market for providing all of the ingredients for this recipe. Lifetime has a wide selection of organic groceries and a bakery, and they're also doing some really awesome deals right now, including a 12-ounce coffee with a muffin for only $3.99. I'll leave the links for that in the description box below, and without further ado, let's jump right into this video. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and maple syrup to serve.
Wait, was that supposed to be
what?
1/4 teaspoon? I can't believe you put a full teaspoon.
Now we're gonna put the dry ingredients into what?
Be careful. When you put the dry ingredients in, because you're gonna make a mess.
Gently incorporating with a spatula. So you want to mix it until it's a sticky consistency. And then your batter is ready. So now we're gonna go make these into pancakes.
Well, you have to spread it around first, right? You can't just put the butter in.
The batter.
You can't put the butter in and then just let it sit there. Like, you have to spread the butter around to the batter.
The butter, the batter?
The better batter.
The bitter batter?
The better batter bitter.
The bitter batter, bitter, bitter, bitter.
Wow. What the fuck are you doing?
What do you mean?
Why is there...
What?
That makes sense.
It does. I think she's ready. Oh, that was a terrible flip.
Yeah.
So this is our pancake. It's our first one. She's kinda burnt, but it's okay. I'll have this one. And I think it's almost ready on the other side too. Oh yeah, she's ready. Again? What do you mean? This is my cooking dance. Do you like my cooking dance? I think it's almost ready. I don't want to burn it.
No, I think it's almost ready, but it's like...
Are you excited to try real Canadian maple syrup?
I've had it before.
like from the trees. I tapped this myself.
I feel like you did.
I went to my backyard, and then I took a tap, and then I screwed it into the tree, and then I collected maple syrup.
You don't have a backyard.
I've tapped maple syrup before though.
I'm not surprised. Through school?
Yeah. Why? Have you ever like hunted alligators through school?
No, but we went to the Everglades.
What's that?
It's Florida's big national park swamp.
Oh. So here are our pancakes. All we have to do now is add the maple syrup, and let's dig in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to check out Campus Clipper and Lifetime Natural Market for some super awesome student discounts. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!